Hi everyone and welcome to the SeaSOx video series. I'm Marco Dierico, Product Manager of ANDRITZ SeaSOx Port and Proposal Engineer for ANDRITZ Maritime portfolio of products. I have 8 years experience in maritime anti-pollution application, a full cycle degree in marine engineering and merchant ship design background. In this video I will briefly introduce ANDRITZ solutions for emission control in ports. Globally, ports are large contributors to air pollution measured in coastal cities. The pollutants with the largest impact are sulfur, nitrogen oxides, and ultrafine particles, which directly affect our cardiovascular and respiratory systems, plus the greenhouse gases, contributing to a faster global mean temperature increase. Emissions from ships are a relevant part of it, and it's measured that passengers and container ships are the most impacting because of the energy involved for their essential services in port. The European Union has an ambitious zero-emission import target by 2030, tackling both direct pollutants and greenhouse gases, strongly supporting the onshore power distribution, the use of alternative fuels, and alternative zero-emission technologies. In California, the path to zero-emission import will start by 2023, with a step-by-step implementation until 2027. And beside the onshore power as a primary methodology, also innovative grid-neutral technologies are supported. Thus, in the near future, ports will require a strong support to plan their compliance strategies in the next years to come. Ports are dynamic environments where requisites of flexibility and customizations are essential to provide a concrete alternative or backup to the onshore power infrastructures. We designed and developed a portable environmental solution that guarantees compliance for ships at berth according to the Euro 6 standards and CARB, and based on ANDRITZ SeaSOx proprietary multi-filtration dry technology. The core of the unit is a proprietary smoke capturing system working with a plug-and-treat principle. A dedicated crane lifts the capturing system onto the funnel to be plugged and secured before the hot gases gets conveyed to the treatment section. Colder and cleaned gases are then continuously monitored. According to the required flexibility, the modular platform accommodating ANDRITZ anti-pollution equipment can span from a self-propelled barge with a crane to a simple piled pontoon with a fixed crane on the pier. The ANDRITZ anti-pollution technology relies on proven and certified process, requiring no wash water and very limited power demand from the grid or from any other renewable source. ANDRITZ offers customized plans with possible zero capex exposure through selected financing institutes. A pay-per-use revenue model will be configured to rent out this service to ship owners with an hourly fee to allow coverage of costs plus profits to the port management companies. In alternative, the port can buy and own the unit as a long-term strategic asset. Most importantly, with ANDRITZ solution for ports, ship owners are not required to update their onboard electricity distribution to connect to the onshore power facilities. So, the connection to the unit will be capex-free. Operation of the unit can be handled by trained port personnel or can be outsourced to the ANDRITZ technical partners. In case you have any inquiries or questions, please feel free to contact us at any time at andritz.com/SeaSOx. Thank you.